Well, it's been a while since I've done an update. I moved, so I got a bigger garage to do my stuff in. But haven't been working on this in a little while. When I moved, I damaged both these, bent them, and fell over. But just kind of giving an update on it, how it's been going. Got my table there, ball screw, 25mm ball screws all the way around, C5 ground, BT-30. And here, that's a tight fit in there. But I'm gonna get back onto it here soon. I figure I'd give you an update on how things are going. I gotta get the oiling system going and all that.